So this is our Cardi B Hair Conditioning Revitalizing Mask. This mask is so good, trust me guys, because one of the most difficult things to do is growing your hair from short to long. So we start this lovely hair mask with avocados. So my avocados, I'd left them for some time and they were beginning to get a little bit discolored. So I ended up using about 1.5. So basically avocado is so good for the hair. It's very rich in butter, which is very nutritious for the hair and also prevent it from breaking. So we're following the avocado up with some mayonnaise. I just love mayonnaise, but not just for sandwiches. It is really good for the hair. It's to help to keep your locks softer, smoother, and shiny. The next ingredient we're going to be using for this gorgeous Cardi B hair mask is honey. Now, honey is really good for the hair. It reduces hair breakage, restores the shine. And then we're going to move forward to our next ingredient, which is our egg. Egg helps with enhancing the hair's natural elasticity, and eggs also help in strengthening the hair follicles. I've popped my avocado in the blender, and to that I've added a drizzle of castor oil just to give the mask an even more moisturizing effect. And to that I'm going to add olive oil. Olive oil is such a favorite. Olive oil penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. I'm adding just a drizzle of olive oil. The third oil I'm adding to this Cardi B hair mask is our Argan Oil. Argan oil helps to reduce breakage and split ends, and it also helps in keeping your scalp very healthy. So in goes our honey. Again, I've done a drizzle of honey. I'd say about 4 tablespoons of honey went into the blender as well. So in goes our tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is amazing for the hair as it helps to improve blood flow and allows nutrients to reach the hair follicles. I'm going to be adding my special twist to this mask. Rosemary is absolutely great for the hair as it helps to not just promote hair growth, it's also an anti-inflammatory, which helps to nourish your hair follicles. So it's time to add the mayonnaise to this mask. So mayonnaise is loaded with protein, vitamins, and fatty acids that help to keep your locks softer, smoother, and shiny. In goes our glycerin. Now it's time to blend. What I've done here is I've just looked for a clean container which I sterilized with some hot water, and I'm just going to pop my mask into it. Now the reason why I've put it in a separate container is because I'm going to use this with my daughter. So we basically store any leftovers we have in the freezer, and then that keeps the mask fresh and safe to use. You have to be patient, but most of all, you have to be consistent with whatever treatment you're using. So I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to put this mask on my hair, and I'm just going to put it in 2 different sections. Now that I have it all on my hair, I'm just going to loosen that out and comb it so it's evenly distributed. This mask is so easy to make. It's got lots of ingredients that help to naturally revitalize and make your hair an accelerated growth is definitely in the works. Okay, so this is where I get my shower cap and put a shower cap over my hair. At this point, you can go and get your hair steamed for about 15 to 20 minutes, which I'm going to do, but most times I don't have time to sit still and wait for my hair to steam, so I just pop the shower cap on and do other things while I wait for my hair to steam. Once I wash it off, I'll put my hair in a protective style, but guys, if you do this once every 2 weeks or every time you wash your hair, it is amazing and it's giving me maximum growth. So I'm just sitting here and waiting for my hair to steam. I do like deep conditioning my hair with heat. So because I'm not able to go to the salon, I got this cute little pink hair steamer. It's actually getting quite hot and a little uncomfortable, but I'm just gonna sit and wait for about 10 minutes, so just to make sure the mask is absorbed very, very well into my hair. Me and my mini-me. Now my hair's been washed. Brittle dryness. It doesn't feel dry at all. It's really moisturized. You can see it even retained a little bit of that shine to my hair. I highly, highly, highly recommend this mask because it is so good. It leaves your hair really soft. Definitely not as dry as other conditioners. So I'm just going to follow up with some oils to my hair as well as some leave-in conditioner. So I hope you give this video a try. If you do, don't forget to please give it a like and definitely consider subscribing.